Well, we've had a bit more rain here in Bundaberg, and oh, we've got a little duck on the dam here. He's having a bit of a twiddle around there. A little bit hard to see with the shadow behind him, sort of thing. But anyway, this dam here, you can hear me sloshing in my feet. The paddock's it's quite wet through here, so we can. Oh well, there is water running into the dams just about all the time at the moment. So with our little bit of rain we had yesterday, another 48 millimetres yesterday on top of 89 last week. So this dam on the left as you go up to Bundy Bear's shed, it's going well. It's still overflowing into the other dam, and we're hoping in the next day or two that we'll get the other dam here full. Now, for those of you that haven't seen this dam for a little while, it's looking good. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. I'll see if there's any water running down into it. So there's just a little trickle coming through at the moment. But anyway, as long as there's water going in, that's a good thing.